Hi, this is Maryanne. And hi, this is Hannah. And we're here with Kid with the Cause. So today we're going to make dog toys out of old t-shirts. Here's what you need. A tennis ball, a pair of scissors, and an old t-shirt. First, you turn your old t-shirt sideways, and then you cut in the middle to make a square. Then you'll cut it in the middle again so you'll have two long strips. Then you lay your strips in an X and put the tennis ball in it. And then you put this over here and this over here. And then you pick it up and squeeze at the bottom. And then we'll take a tie and tie it. If it looks kind of like an octopus, that means you're doing good. Then you cut each leg into 3 pieces. Then you braid the strips together. Let's see if Nelson likes it. Take it. Take it. You should really just throw it. Good boy. Seems like he likes